Here we are, about 6 o'clock, morning of January 5th, 2013, where apparently we're going to have our big blizzard of 13. When I got up a little after 4, we had maybe 1/10 of an inch. Maybe we're up to 1/2 inch, 3/4 right now. Predicting 6 to 10 inches today, 1 additional inch tonight. So, I don't know. We'll see if we get a whole what they're predicting. I already told my staff to come in a couple hours late tomorrow morning to give them time to get the roads clear. Hopefully we'll be good. This is coming down on about 5.5 inches that we got the night of the 1st. Been an interesting year. 2 weeks ago it was 60 degrees. Tomorrow they're predicting a high of -10. Awesome. Okay, about 7:30 now. Looking good. My tire tracks from coming in from the gym earlier almost gone. We might be up to inch and a half. Starting to make everything look really pretty. Really pretty. Still coming down awfully heavy and wet. Let's go take a look out back. Lake is very frozen. I believe that's a fox running right across the lake. Right by a goose who didn't really care anything about that fox. That's amazing. I wonder where he's going. He's over by the beach now. Hello, Mr. Fox. Yeah, I saw you. Okay, see ya. That was awesome. Koi pond. It's pretty well froze up. You can still hear the water trickling under there. I'm sure the fish will make it. Very beautiful. We'll see what it looks like after a few more inches. It's snowy outside, huh, Cedric? What do you think about all that snow?
I don't see the wolf or the fox.
The fox isn't there anymore. He ran away.
I want to see the fox.
Do you like all that snow?
Can I see the fox?
I can't
when
make...
he comes back?
Well, maybe if you keep watching, but I don't think he's going to come back, Cedric. That snow's coming down really good now, isn't it?
It's too foggy to see the fox.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to see through all this snow, isn't it?
He's over there and sleeping.
I hope he found a place to sleep.
Yeah. I think he's sleeping on the lake.
You think he's sleeping on the lake?
Uh-huh.
I think that would be a very, very cold place to sleep, don't you?
Yeah. The wolf has found a place to sleep.
1 o'clock in the afternoon, up to about 5 inches. We're about to go try to play. That's where my steps are. Gonna try to play before the wind starts picking up too bad, and I'll probably try to shovel this at least once. Because I'm sure I'll get to shove it again later. Yay. Is it too deep, honey? Okay, stand up. It's okay. Daddy, okay. It's too deep for you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. There, honey. Doing good. It's pretty deep snow. Think we're up to 6 inches yet? Careful, there's a wall over there somewhere. Don't know where it is. Alright, come on back. Come on. You're stuck, honey. Alright. Let's wait for Cedric to get out here. Hey Cedric, go out and check out the snow. See if it's too deep. Ophelia's ready to go on the sled.
No!
It's okay.
I'm not front.
Cedric, go check out the snow, then we'll do the sled, okay? Go see if it's deep enough.
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Alright. Where do we go to sled? Are you gonna pull Ophelia? You wanna go sledding first? No. Oh, you don't want to sled with your sissy?
No.
Why not?
That's
That's not very nice. Ophelia, do you want to sled with Cedric? Yeah, okay. How about you, Cedric? You want to sled with Ophelia?
No. I want her to get out.
Oh, that's not very nice.
Winter, January 5th, 2014. Ophelia's 2, Cedric's 3. We got probably at least 5 or 6 inches of snow already, and maybe 5 or 6 more to go. And it's too thick to even go sledding in. It's all the way up to Cedric's knees. Look how deep it is, Cedric.
I only got like 2 minutes left on that.
Okay.
These already got snow all over her face.
Aww.
How you doing, Ophelia? Is it snowy? Nice. I'm pretty sure this is not the season for that, Cedric. And Ophelia.
Yeah.
Alright, about an hour of shoveling. Maybe about half the driveway cleared up. Got about another ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch since I started shoveling. Pretty nice. There's the house. Got some really nice drifts on this, on the roof. Pretty cool. Why did I scoop the driveway again? Yeah. About another ½ inch maybe. I'll scoop it later. There's my boat dock. Out here in the yard, I'm perhaps standing at 8 to 10 inches. Very pretty trees, gazebo, a lake over here. Looking real nice, huh? Wind's really picking up now. Supposed to get gusts from 25 to 35 miles an hour. Temperature's really starting to drop. At any rate, signing off for now. It's about 10 till 5. The wind is nuts. Can't hardly see a thing. Got, 3 to 4 inches in various parts of the driveway. Some of it's blowing clear as it drifts. And it is drifting like crazy. Nice. Nice. Koi pond. Outside, the wind is going crazy. Drifting all over the place. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So I guess this is a blizzard. Can't wait to scoop again tomorrow. Woohoo!
It's about 7:15 a.m., January 6th. Currently negative 12 degrees Fahrenheit. Wind chill is negative 34. My sister passed the night in her car on Route 150. Emergency personnel are still trying to get to her and some other people that are also stranded in the area. My yard's a huge mess, as you can see.
Driveway still looks pretty good. The wind kept it cleared out pretty well. Thank goodness I did scoop it yesterday. Just got a nice drift here right in front of the door. No problem. Lots and lots of snow. And it's freaking cold out here. So I'm gonna go hold myself up until later. Wow, they actually got a plow down here already. Yay. About 5:15, January 6th. Finally made it into work. 9 hours late. They actually did clear out our parking lot, kind of. The roads are really fun out there. Kind of like driving around Sherbet Land in a jet setter. Very nice. Thankfully, I have the ultimate vehicle. You did good, girl. Now let's go see if I can get into my workplace. Here's my back door. I'm gonna go around and try to go in the front, I think. Jesus. I might be able to cut at least a little bit of a path through. We'll see. I haven't been down this alley yet, but no big deal. Let's see, 521, -8 degrees. Banks got their lots cleared up. The city has come by and at least cleared out the front, which is nice. So, I only got too much to deal with here. I can be open for business tomorrow. All right, cool. You can see our courthouse down there, and we still got our beautiful Christmas lights up, which it's nice to see them in the snow, I suppose. Awesome. Got the handicap spot open, because we all know it's those 85-year-old ladies on the walkers that'll make it in for their appointments. Hopefully the alley gets cleared out by morning. Just saw a dude go by on a bicycle. I don't know what's up with people sometimes. All right, got that mess cleared up. About 6 o'clock, going home. Phew. Supposed to get back above 0 by noon tomorrow, and we're supposed to get rain by the end of the week, so that's Illinois. It'll be a sloppy mess. At any rate, I guess this is just a matter of, hey, don't mess with Mother Nature. Hopefully all the hundreds and hundreds of motorists that got stranded are all right. My sister got to spend 16 hours in it overnight. Hopefully that's the last time any of us will get to experience that. At any rate, that is it for the blizzard of 2013. Thank you very much.